What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at where the spare tire, the lug nut wrench, and the jack you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a Toyota Corolla. This is a 2021 Toyota Corolla here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So all those items we just talked about are going to be located in the trunk. Once you open the trunk, and yours may or may not have this carpet piece on the bottom, but we need to pull that up. And then there's this other lid here that we need to pull up. And now we can see our jack, the lug nut wrench, and the handle for the jack. Then if we pick this whole tray up and get it out of the way, we can see our spare tire right there. And there's this piece in the middle you need to spin to the left or counterclockwise. I've already got this one loosened up, but that'll come out like that. And then once you have that off, it'll allow you to go ahead and pull your spare tire out. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.